What's going on, everybody? This is Chaz with Homegrown How To. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you for checking out this video. Today we're going to work on some organization, some garage organization, as well as some basement organization. In this instance, I'm going to be throwing some shelving in my basement. They are the Whalen 5 shelving storage units. I've got one here in my garage. This thing has done wonders. Taking a bunch of crap and clutter off of the floor, put it right there. Most of that is kids' toys and my lawn care and garden care stuff. So we're going to be heading down to the basement to assemble one of these storage racks, so follow along. Alright, so currently our basement's used for a lot of storage. It's unfinished. It's kind of the kids' play area. We also have a gym down here. So as you can see, there's just a ton of stuff just kind of boxed up and just sitting on the floor. Over here, there's more crap just laying around. So we want to get that off the ground, give some more space for the kids to play. And when the time comes to finish the basement, all of that will be out of the way. So like I said, we're working on the Whalen 5 shelf storage rack. This is 4 feet long by 2 feet wide, 5 shelves, holds a lot of stuff. Now the instructions on this thing are kind of useless. They don't really do a good job. I've already built a few of these, so let's get to it. Here's one with just the frame. I haven't put the shelving on yet. One thing you want to make sure you do, you want this flat part to be sitting up. This is where the actual wood shelf sits on top. If you have that the other way, it's not going to work. You're going to have to start over. The only real tool you need for this project is like a knife or a box cutter to open the box. Don't need any tools to assemble this, which is nice. Another useful tool is a dead blow. This is a plastic rubber dead blow. It's not going to damage any of the rail. All 4 of my base corners are capped off on the bottom. Again, you want the small portion of these tabs to be facing down. And another reminder, make sure this flat part is facing up when you connect these in. Now, if you have another person to help you, it's going to be a lot more beneficial, but I'm doing this by myself, so. Alright, then you're going to take these tabs, so these little tabs, they're going to go on top of your base corner pieces so that you can add on another one. Just like that. Then you're going to go to add on the second corner pieces on top of your base. When you do these, you're going to take this tab, the bottom tab, and then the top tab of the corner piece. So this will be the base corner piece, this is the top corner piece. That's what's basically going to hold those together. I also like to cap my tops just because these are kind of sharp. Taking something down, you don't want to cut yourself. Got to do is throw on our shelves. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this to the location that I want it, over in that corner there. Just kind of butt it up against that current shelf that's over there. And then I'll throw the shelves on. That way it's a little bit lighter, easier to maneuver. There we have it. I'm all done with that shelf. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please hit that like. Consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. You guys have a good day.